So guys, I just want to give you a quick reminder before we start the video, basically about the last video where we covered the layered clothing topic. It was patched, in fact, because Roblox themselves didn't release publicly yet, so they had to put it off sale. But don't worry, the layered clothings soon will be releasing. But about the price, I'm not sure what will be, but when it will before it will release, some YouTubers like Sharkblocks or Dither Plays will make a video about that. Goodbye, enjoy the video. Guys, if you want to know how you can make a simple coin system like this, you collect it and then it waits a few seconds and then it regens. Then watch until the end to find out how to. So hello guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can make your own coin system. So first of all, go to roblox.com/develop or open a Roblox Studio page or tab. I already have the Roblox Studio open for the video, and yeah, let's start. Basically, I'm gonna open the toolbox to get a mesh for the coin. You know what, guys, let's make our own mesh for the coin. It's not that hard. So 0.25 studs. Lower the size a little bit. Okay. It's just a simple coin, guys, as you can see. Now for the coin, I'm gonna make 0.05, 0.25 again, make a negative part. I forgot to do something. So make this part negative here, and then select the other part with shift if you don't know, and then you unite the parts. Oh, I know what I did wrong. 1 second, guys. No, just forget, guys. Let's make just this simple coin. It's really simple. I'm gonna make it yellow, a little bit smaller. This is a really simple tutorial, guys. It's really quickly. So make a script inside the part, a script, and now for the scripting part, I'm gonna make leader stats really quickly to make, like, give up the player 1 coin if he collects the coin. Game.play, and the coin will restart, guys, so don't worry. So let's make a function when the player connects to the game, and when the player connects to the game, we create a folder inside him called leader stats. It's not leader stats, it's a folder. I'm sorry, guys. You need to name the leader stats. So leader stats.name equals to leader stats. It needs to be exactly named leader stats, or it will not show your stats in the teams tab. It's not the teams, the player list, basically. You can put comma player. This is basically you can do leader stats dot parent equals to player, but Or you can do, I recommend you doing, it's just the same comma player. It's the same parent basically. So now let's create a number value called money, for example, or yeah, gold, for example, gold. Number value dot name equals to gold, right? Number value dot value equals 0, and do it again. You can do leader stats that it associates the player, the folder inside the player called leader stats. It basically is the same thing. If you do player.leader stats or leader stats, the variable it already recognizes the variable, so it will work. So comma leader stats, and that's how you do it, the leader stats. Now for the coin system, I'm gonna anchor this and can collide off. And now go inside the script. Sorry guys, I was just drinking some water. Okay, so go inside the script of the coin. I'm gonna name coin, you can name it wherever you want. And let's start with a dot touched event. Hit. If hit dot parent find first child humanoid, then it basically checks if the thing that touched the coin finds a humanoid inside the thing that touched the coin, as I said earlier. Now let's do local player equals to game.players get player from character hit.parents. Now we have the player from we are getting basically the player from the player tab. We are getting now we know who is the player. We are getting basically the information. We are getting the information of the player with the character basically. So now do player dot leader stats dot goal dot value equals to player dot leader stats dot goals dot value plus 1. You can change this. I'm gonna make a variable really quickly, local value to give. Basically this is the value. Imagine if you set this value this variable to 1, then it's the same. He will give you 1 coin, 1 gold in this case. I'm gonna name it 5. He will give you 5 gold basically. Then script.parent.transparency you don't need to put a dot again. Basically script.parent.transparency equals 1. And okay, and then I'm gonna make a cooldown. I'm gonna call it debounce. Local debounce equals false. We are checking if the thing that touched the humanoid, we are checking if the thing that touched the coin has a humanoid, and if the debounce is false, basically if the cooldown is false, then the script can run, this little code can run the code to give the player some gold. The code basically to run, we need to make a debounce. The debounce needs to be false to run the code basically. So debounce equals true, and script.parent.transparency equals 1. Wait, 4 seconds. 4 seconds, it's the time for the coin to regen basically, and the player can collect again. Debounce equals false. Now I'm gonna put wait for script.parent.transparency equals 0, and then wait 0.5, just wait a little bit before he can collect again. Then debounce equals false. I'm not gonna make it fully transparent. .6 transparency, it's okay, and that's it. I'm gonna name these leader stats and these coin handler. Okay, that's it. Let's play. Let's test this. And yes, we can collect 5 gold. You can collect it. 10 gold. We collect it again, and it becomes transparent. And it works basically. Now, if you want to add a sound, it's really simple. Really simple. Let's do, for example, coin sound. It don't want to work. If this wanted to work, right? Let's test again. Like this, Super Mario sound. I hope I don't get copyright from this. But okay, let's continue. And I'm gonna add the sounds. It's more simple. Here inside the coin, basically. Sound ID. You can basically go in the sound, and then the third line, copy the ID. I don't have this in English, guys, but don't worry, it's similar. Exactly like this. I'm sorry, guys, for the audio if it is too high. I'm gonna put less sound. Okay, so local sounds equals to script.parent wait for child sounds, and then when it collects sounds play. And I think that's it. Let me see, guys. Let's see. It works basically. I'm gonna test again. It works basically, guys. So I hope you have enjoyed today's tutorial. If you guys wanna leave any suggestions in the description, no, in the comments, leave us comments, and I will consider making a video about it. So yeah. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Goodbye.